So I've been cleaning up today and going through stuff and organizing and saving some stuff and getting rid of some stuff and just kind of just organizing and cleaning because I want to get that area ready for the floor. So I came across this just now and I remember seeing it before, and this is like the coolest thing, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm overselling it, but it used to have a sticker there. I don't know. It wasn't, I don't remember the sticker being on it when I found it. It was here on the property, and the prior owner said, whatever tools are here are mine. And when I found this, I opened it up, and I was amazed that it's just so cool. It has a brass cover. Appears to be lead right here, but otherwise it appears to be all brass. Nice and heavy. We have brass threads here. This appears to be some composite material, kind of like a super hard cardboard. And then look what's in it. Bits. So is this really 4 bits? Or was this something else and somebody thought it was a great place for bits? I don't know. I mean, the lead in here is excellent because when they're bouncing back and forth, if they are, the lead's not going to dull in them. It's a softer material. So I don't know. I don't know what the story is behind this. I had never seen one before, but I think it's such a cool bit holder. So I don't know what year. I don't know anything about it other than what we can see right here. It has that on the one side, this on the other side, but I don't know what that means. I cleaned off a little bit of tarnish on it. I think I'm going to add a little Z-zip to this and give it a little more protection. I think this ripped off when the sticker was pulled. But yeah, isn't that cool? Makes me want to, as I find bits, I'm going to put them in here and keep this in a nice cool spot. Okay, so the coolest bit holder I've ever seen. I have no idea the story behind it, but it'd be interesting.